Hi everyone, today we're unboxing this product. Take a look at the outer packaging box. It is made of sturdy cardboard which does a great job protecting the equipment inside. The first thing you see when you open the box is the user manual. Next up is the main unit. This is the core of the entire system, responsible for processing and enhancing signals. Then there is the outdoor antenna. Its job is to receive signals. And here is the interface for connecting the cable. Now, check out this indoor antenna. Its role is to transmit signals, covering the indoor area. There are two cables here. One is a 30-foot indoor cable, used to connect the indoor antenna to the main unit. And the other is a 30-to-8-foot outdoor cable, used to connect the outdoor antenna to the main unit. If you need even wider signal coverage, you can use this outdoor extension antenna. Also, this through-window cable is really handy. It connects the two outdoor cables, making wiring much easier. Don't forget this Bluetooth antenna. It is used to connect to the app. Of course, there is the power adapter to keep the main unit running. Lastly, there are some installation accessories. This one is for mounting the outdoor antenna, and this one is for installing the main unit. The white one is waterproof tape, which can be applied to outdoor cable connections to prevent water leakage. The black one is flame retardant tape applied to indoor cable joints. Everything you need is included.